Hello everyone, welcome to our daily lesson. Today we're gonna learn writing polynomial functions when it's given the zeros. What I mean is, so first example 1, we're given the zeros, the zeros of x zeros are, we given and x zeros are 0 and 3, and then we are asked to find what's the general equation for this function. What's the equation, equation of the polynomial. So we must find the equation of the function. So we must find the equation. So as we know, when x is 0, there is a coefficient of x that's 0. So we're gonna write like that: y equals, so we must have x, because this x is 0 multiple of x minus 3. So this is the equation. So let's verify if this one is true. And x minus 3 equals 0. So when x is whole thing becomes 0, x must be 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. Therefore x is gonna be 3, because we're gonna move 3 to the right hand side, or we add this both sides by 3. That's why x is gonna be 3. So the equation of this function when x is 0 and y is 3 is x times x minus 3 equal 0, and then we can distribute if you want to write. So x times x is going to be x squared, and then x times minus 3 is going to be minus 3x equal 0. This is the equation that produces 0 and 3. Example 2, we given zeros are minus 3, 5, and 3, and then we are asked to find what is the equation of this function. So we must produce it. So we know if the outcome is negative, so we must have addition. So it must be x plus 3. This one will result negative 3 when we make the equal 0. And then when we have a positive, so it must be negative at the beginning, x minus 5. And then this one is positive as well. It's going to be x minus 3, and then whole thing must be 0. So we can see it. So x is going to be 0 when x is minus 3, which is true. And x is going to be 0 when x is 5. And then this x is 0 when x is 3. So now, if we expand this, we must multiply this to this, and then this to that, and then 3 to this, and 3 to the 5. After that, we're going to multiply this at the end. So then x times x is going to be x squared, and then x times minus 5 is going to be minus 5x, plus 3 times x is going to be plus 3x, and then plus 3 times minus 5 is going to be negative 15, and then all this we must multiply to x minus 3, then equals 0. So this is what will happen. These two we have to subtract since they are different signs. And so this one is going to be x squared, and then minus 5 plus 3 is going to be minus 2x minus 15, and then we must multiply x minus 3 equal 0. So we're gonna go this to that. So this one x we're gonna multiply to this and that and that. So we're gonna start x times x squared. It's gonna be x cubed, and then x times minus 2x is gonna be minus 2x squared, and then x times minus 15 is gonna be minus 15x. And then now we're gonna do the 3 the same thing, and then negative 3 we're gonna multiply to the x squared, so it's gonna be minus 3x squared, and then minus 3 we're gonna multiply minus 2x is gonna be plus 6x, and then minus 3 times minus 15 is gonna be plus 45, because minus times minus is plus, and then 3 times 15 is 45. So now we're gonna combine whatever we can add it. So and this x squared and then this squared is gonna be 1, and then minus 15x plus this one, and then 6x we have to subtract since they are opposite signs, they are not the same sign. So this one is gonna be x cubed, x power 3 minus this minus 2x minus 3x squared is gonna be minus 5x squared, and then 15 minus 6 is gonna be minus 7x, because 10 minus 6 is 4, no, 9x, yeah, minus 9x plus 45 equal 0. Yeah, so this is our equation. Yeah, x cubed. Yeah, I'm gonna rewrite x cubed because it's not clear yet. Yeah, so this one is x power 3 minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 45 equal 0. This is the general equation of this. That's the end of the class. Have a great day. Have a great day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.